Linking your bank account to an online platform can streamline your transactions and make managing your finances easier. Follow these steps to successfully connect to your bank account. Step 1. Access your account. Log into your account on the platform where you want to link your bank account. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one first. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, find the account settings or payment settings section. This is usually located in the menu or profile area of the website or app. Step 3. Select bank account linking. Look for an option that says link bank account or add bank account. Click on this option to begin the linking process. Step 4. Enter bank details. You will be prompted to enter your bank account information, such as your account number and routing number. Make sure to double check these details for accuracy. Step 5. Verify your account. After entering your bank details, the platform may require you to verify your account. This could involve confirming small deposits made to your bank account or using a verification code sent to your email or phone. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account should be successfully linked to the platform. This will allow you to manage your transactions more efficiently.